mas pinabongga our kamatch in bringing you top-notch entertainment. So I think we're all ready, and here we have her. So the phenomenal star, your bestie G, and our newest game zoner. Let's all watch this.
Underneath the city lights, there is a world few know about, where rules don't apply, no. And you can't keep a good girl down. She going through the club looking for a good time, gonna make that, shake that money on the dime. Don't be a sugar daddy, she can work it just fine. Up on the table, she'll be dancing all night. Baby, now this comes alive. Under the spotlight, all the girls wanna fall in line. We say, here come the ladies, got to give a little show. Here comes the boys, gonna show a little more. Get it up, won't let you rest. Get it up, it's not a test. Get it up, gotta give me your best. So get your hands up, show me how you relax. Get it up, won't let you rest. Get it up, it's not a test. Get it up, gotta give me your best. So get your hands up, show me how you relax. A little bit of night, it's a little bit night. She's a whole lot of blank, sweat, sugar, sex, spice, shame, she sweat, people in the world, what up on the table, she'll be dancing all night. Everybody just comes alive. Under the spotlight, all the boys wanna fall behind. We say, here come the ladies, got to give a little show. Here come the boys, gonna show a little more. Get it up, won't let you rest. Get it up, it's not a test. Get it up, gotta give me your best. So get your hands up, show me how you relax. Get it up, won't let you rest. Get it up, it's not a test. Get it up, gotta give me your best. So get your hands up, show me how you relax. Okay, girls, let's show them how it's done. It ain't over till we say, and we've only just begun.
Our newest game zoner, Asia's phenomenal, undebunkable superstar, Mike Gundam!
Alright, there you have it, the one and only in our newest game zoner, we have Philip Ice Ganda!
What's up? Gandang gabi!
Woo! Grabe! Grabe naman ang energy talaga ni Mama.
Wala, kasigbihan nga lang. Yung kailangan kalmahan ng lapat.
Ay,
Baka
ay
sabihin-
kalmahan na ba tayo?
Oo, it's like Gina. Baka sabihin Gina siya. Oh, thank you so
Ayan,
much.
syempre, flowers for you, Marie.
Yes, nakalagay sa contract to. Kailangan sa loob may flowers.
May ganun agad. May na-reveal
Thank
agad. You know what, Mama? Thank you for being here. And you know, everyone's just so excited. Parang mas naging maganda ang gabi ng lahat. Tama ba ako? Tama ba?
Yes, syempre nakalabs na kayo, no?
Mamaya tayo maglalahas.
Yes.
Kaya natin yan. And I'm sure marami rin talagang gustong makichika sa'yo tonight. And actually, marami tayong kasama ngayon ang ating friends, ang ating families, of course, ng members rin ng ating Game Zone, the app. Hindi lang yan, meron din tayo mga media friends na makakapag
Media friends.
Oo,
Okay,
makakapag-chikahan sa atin.
million friends.
Di ba, media friends. So, ulitin ko
Media
po,
friends.
media friends. Siyempre yung ating media friends to discuss this exciting partnership na together with Game Zone. So, okay ka ba doon?
Yes, okay na, okay.
Alright.
Wala ko masyado nakikita mo.
Oo nga, eh,
Puro
parang-
ilaw na puti. Para tayo sinusunod sa kabilang buhay. Dito nakakakaba. Tag-dalawang puting ilaw ko dito.
Teka,
Okay.
marami pong salamat for dimming ng onti yung light. So, ayan, ano muna tayo? Sit muna tayo.
Let's
We'll
go.
be sitting and pretty and be comfy. Okay. So, for this time naman, ay,
Tusok yung puwet ko dun sa kanto.
kaya ba? Kaya ba natin, Meme? Ayan,
Let's go.
sitting pretty na si Miss Meme. So, Meme, ready ka na ba para sa ating
For
Q&A?
what?
Sa ating pa-Q&A.
Let's go!
Let's go, let's do it. So we'll be now opening the floor for our media friends. So now is the time. If you have questions, I think we also have our mics. Diba? Meron din tayong mics dyan. And,
Ang weird, hindi talaga natin sila
oo nga,
nakikita.
diba? Kaya nga po ako napagano ng fairy light.
Baka
Pero
may house lights na lang.
baka pwede para makita namin ni Meme here on
Ayan!
stage. And perfect! Okay, and just a quick reminder no, to everyone na keep your questions aligned to the purpose of this event.
Perfect.
Alright, o diba? So again, we would like to call in all our media friends. If you have questions, para nga kay Meme, the newest ambassador. Yan, there you go.
Hi, good evening.
Hi, good evening po.
Ako po si Aldwin ng Business Mirror.
Hi, Aldwin.
Hi, Vice. Congratulations for being the endorser.
Thank you.
I'd like to know, anong ganda meron ng Game Zone at na-convince nila ang isang Vice ganda to be an endorser?
Anong ganda ang meron sa Game Zone? Bakit na-convince nila ako? Well, unang-una, maganda ang bigayan dito. Prangkahan na tayo. Diba? Kasi ako lagi, pag may napapanood ako, may nababasa ko, pag ini-interview yung endorser, what made you say yes to endorsing? Kasi ang dami mga mabubulang lang na sinasabi. Pero sabi ko, wala nagsasabing pinayaran sila. Eh sa katotohanan naman, nagkakabayaran naman talaga, di ba? So, okay. Well, kidding aside, pero may reality naman talaga doon. Well, kidding aside, ang kagandahan sa partnership na ito ay Game Zone and I, we both share the same goal of giving entertainment, fun, enjoyment, good vibes to our consumers or to the people who support us. And at the same time, we also share the same concern of the people that support us. Kaya madali ako, nung nag-usap kami, at actually Game Zone was not the first one to tap me to endorsing their brand. Ang dami-daming na kumukuha sa akin as endorsers. Pero, hindi kami masyadong aligned sa prinsipyo. So, nung nag-usap kami, and we both share the same concern and care for the people na magsusuporta sa amin. Doon talaga yung lumakas yung loob ko na sabi, yes, talaga. Let's do this together. Let's do this together. Aside from the fact na, katulad sinabi ko nga kanina, maganda ang relasyon at maganda ang bigay. At maganda rin talaga ang pinag-uugatan itong partnership na ito. Mahalaga na pareho kami ng prinsipyo, pareho kami ng paniniwalaan, para hindi kami parehong mapapahiya kung ano man ang mangyari dito sa produktong ini-endorse ko at sa produktong gusto namin ipaalam sa inyong lahat. Yes, we both want to give the audiences or our consumers or our supporters fun, enjoyment, good vibes, but at the same time, we share the same concern and the advocacy of letting our consumers or letting our supporters that we need to do it with so much fun and responsibility. Kaya nga, nung nag-brainstorm kami no, sa mga images na ilalabas, sa mga art cards, sa billboard, isa sa mga major requests ko sa kanila, and they said yes right away. Sabi ko, kailangan sa mga art cards lahat, malaki yung nakalagay na disclaimer or what do you call this, reminder na play responsibly, play for fun only. Gaming is not an acceptable way of livelihood and it does not solve any financial problems. Kasi para malinaw tayo dito, di ba malinaw tayo dito, meron kaming concern sa mga maglalaro. Kasi pwede nating, di ba, pwedeng ikasama ito kung sakasakaling hindi responsable ang paggamit ng produktong ito. And when they said yes right away, sabi ko, let's go, let's do this. Kaya, this is such a beautiful partnership.
Thank you so much.